Hey there, everybody. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you just got a plant from us called Spearmint. Like all mints, it has a square stem, opposite leaves, and these toothed edges on every leaf. There is also, you can't smell it from here, but there's also a very strong scent of mint coming from it. You can tell that it is spearmint in particular because, and I hope that it shows up, but all of these leaves have very, very tiny little fuzzy hairs on them. There are some types of smooth leaf mints, like the chocolate mint, but apple mint, spearmint, and I believe peppermint have these tiny little hairs on the upside and the downside of the leaves. So if you're going to crush this for drinks or internal consumption, I recommend giving it a thorough workover. You can break the little hairs and that'll make the texture for ingestion a whole lot better, and it will keep you from having that weird mouth feel that gets associated with fresh mint leaves. We use this for teas. It is also just a wonderful thing to be able to crush. You can use it for sachets. You can dry it and use it in potpourri. Every little hair that you expose to soil can become a new piece of root. So be aware of where you plant it. When you tear the leaf and break the vesicles is where the flavor comes out most, which is why you'll see people crush it or macerate it with something like a mortar and pestle for drinks. But you can also just leave this in a cup of tea or a container of cool water, and it will also leach into your water and provide just a slight refreshing flavor to your hydration for the day. It's good for your stomach. It's good for your digestion. And it's a wonderful flavor and smell. The more you push into the water and the more you crush it up, the stronger it will taste. So try a few leaves at first, and then go from there. See how it treats you. But this is spearmint, and I love it a lot. Thanks for watching. Happy planting.